We have two colors of brake pads, red and green. The replacement steps for different colors are different. Replace according to the one you received. First, loosen the screw on the brake and pull out the brake line. Loosen the screws that secure the brake and remove the brake. If the brake pad is red, first remove the two screws on the brake. Take out the old brake pads, replace the new brake pads. When installing, first buckle the buckles inside the two brake pads. Install the brake pad into the brake and note that there is a slot on the inside of the brake that corresponds to the brake pad. There is also a slot on the other side of the brake. Install it accordingly and then tighten the screws. If your brake pad is green, straighten the pins that hold the brake pad in. Place and push the pad out. Replace the new brake pad. Lock the brake pad with the buckle and push it into the brake. Insert the pin. Remember to bend one side of the pin, then swing the swing arm on the brake, and the brake pad will directly restore the gap. Install the brakes. Install the brake disc between the brake pads, then fix the brakes and tighten the screws. Then pass the brake cable through the two places on the brake. The one below is to pass through the hole in the middle. Then raise the brake swing arm to the top, then lower it some more, and then tighten the screws on the brake swing arm to test the braking effect.